Hi, thanks for stopping by. My name is Lisa, and I hope you subscribe, stick around to watch my video, and enjoy my video. Right here, I'm going to insert my Renji cameo for those who, love seeing my dog. He's such a sweetheart and such a blessing, so I'll insert it here. All right, guys, this is my Renji segment, and today's collar is the Gucci collar. And thankfully, Al Moana Gucci was so gracious, they actually added extra holes for me because he got it when he was a small puppy, and now that he's a big boy, he's outgrown it. And they actually put extra holes in the collar for me. So, say bye bye, and that's my Renji segment. And now, today's lip gloss of the day is Marc Jacobs. The scent of the day is J'adore. And the bag of the day is the Louis Vuitton No Way in GM. I actually had an appointment today, so I was off work and I took it with me, and of course it started to rain, but that is the number one reason that I always kind of like pre-tan my bags before I wear them out. And she's gorgeous. I love this bag. And the tag was gifted to me from my salesperson at Ala Moana. And on the side is my, I thought was very adorable. It's a hand sanitizer holder, but it's like a little teacup, so I thought, or a coffee cup, or a cappuccino cup. I would say cappuccino, but I thought it was adorable. And it keeps the drip. If it drips, it'll keep it away from my purse. So that is that. And we will not go over what's inside because it's everything inside. Now, on to the good stuff. Today's video is an unboxing from Gucci and Louis Vuitton. Let's do Gucci first because I've had it the longest. And I haven't opened it because I said, oh, I'm just going to do an unboxing, and then, life happened and everything else. And I got this one in Florida when I was with my friends Sarah and Amy, and of course you all know Kara. She is Relax, I've Had Coffee. We had the most fun time. We went to Disney World for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween. We did, what else was it? We saw, what was it? Oh my gosh. Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights, and we ended up going back to the Magic Kingdom for their Christmas stuff. It was amazing. So, but that was a lot of walking. And when we went to the, I think it was called the Millennium Mall, it was very fun. And the salesperson in Gucci was lovely. Louis Vuitton, I think it was just maybe a 6 out of 10 for the experience, but if I guess because I'm spoiled with my regular Louis Vuitton girl and my regular Gucci and my regular Chanel people, I think that I'm spoiled, but it is what it is. So I saw this and I thought, oh my God, this is so adorable. And I didn't have one. It is a keychain or a bag charm from Gucci. I had never seen one that I actually liked from Gucci, and it came in silver, but in the store, but they had the gold and they ordered it for me. So I thought that would go gorgeous on my Diana bag or any Gucci bag. I thought this was just so cute. And I think it'll go cute on my bum bag, my Gucci bum bag too. So I thought this was adorable. I don't see a price, so I don't know that part, but yep. Oh my God. This is why I liked it so much. I'm not a fidget spinner type of person, but I thought that was pretty cool and pretty boss how that spins. So that is one thing. Let me see. Very cute. I thought that was just gorgeous. And yeah, I love it. So that is my first unboxing. And it's small, but yes, I got on board with the Murakami. As you can see, I already have, I believe this is the, what is this called? This one, I want to say, one of these is the Judy, one is like the Athena, a Speedy Nano, and a Speedy 30. So I only have 4 bags and a cosmetic pouch. But I can't say that I would want another Speedy. I like the Murakami collection only in the black. I think the white is beautiful, but I could see me getting one speck of dirt on it and never using it again. One little spot, and I'm like, nope, I don't like it anymore, and I would just have it forever for nothing. And let me quit rambling. My local store did not have the packaging, so it is what it is. And I saw online that Japan is having all of these pop-ups, and lucky them. But I wanted something small, so I got the wallet. And I have this wallet in monogram already, so I already know that I'm gonna love it. The only thing that I thought was a small bummer was the fact that it's silver. The hardware is silver, and the hardware on all my other monogram, multicolor, is gold. But it is so not that serious for me. But it's super cute, super useful, and I wish I was able to get the key clay and a charm that I saw that I liked. But it's one of those things, and it has the Murakami stamp on the inside. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but yeah, butter. So this is my first, hopefully, of many Takashi Murakami pickups. Very cute. And I'm not the type of person, like, I won't get up at 6 in the morning to go online for something. If I can get it through my salesperson, great. If I can't, I'm kind of like, well, it wasn't meant to be. I'm that person. So, yeah, I'll check online back and see if I can find whatever else, I was looking for. Or I think it was a bag charm that was on like a leather lanyard of the bear, and I thought that was cute, but my sales girl was like, I don't think you're gonna get that. So it is what it is. But other than that, I just wanted to say aloha, and I know we haven't been here for a while, but I'm back and I'm on it. And if you have any questions about my Murakami collection, feel free to ask me in the comments, or any of my collection. I actually had some, the last time I wore, I think it was the trunk. Yeah, I think it was the camera box trunk. The last time I wore it to work, one of my customers asked me, she goes, oh, if you don't mind, how much was the bag? And I was like, oh, it was an arm and a leg. So she said, don't you feel, funny bringing it to work? And I'm like, absolutely not. I don't believe in buying something to sit it on the shelf, other than a little cute doll like that, to just stay there. I'll get to you, even if I haven't rocked it in a while, or if I don't even post on Instagram, I'm still going to get there. I think the last 2 weeks, yeah, I switched bags a lot in the last 2 weeks. And I didn't post on Instagram because I just either didn't have time, or I forgot by the time, it just didn't happen. And I wear my bag, so I hope you do too. And I think that this year will be my year of the purge. I know I'm saying it now, and hopefully I will stick to it. It's not a resolution, because I don't do New Year's resolutions. I think that, yeah, I think you can just set your mind to something on April 17th and just do it. I don't think that it has to be the beginning of the year or anything like that. I think that as far out as I'll go is I'll say, okay, I'll start something on Monday. That's about as far as out as I will go. But I don't really believe in resolutions, because I don't think that, some people stick to them, good for them. I'm not the type to stick to something like that. So that's it. And I wanted to thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope you look forward to seeing this girl and my Gucci bag charm in up and comings, what's in my bag or what's my vibe for the day. And aloha.